Welcome to my vlog. Today is January 17, 2025. But for today's video, we will go to Hulo, Upper Tundol, Limay Bataan. We will get buko and kamote chips. This is Trace.
A few moments later.
Here's our farm from a few meters away from Roman Highway. That's banana and coconut tree. I'm working in our farm. This is a suete. This is balunggay leaf. This is silin labuyo. This is wabutan tree. Walanbuna. This is 200.5 hectares.
Home is wherever I'm with you. Let me come home.
This is what we harvest coconut. Daddy is digging.
A few inches later.
Here's our food. Peewee and Mountain Dew.
Nahirapan ka namang gano'n yan.
Akala ko kamoting kahoy. Akala ko kamoting kahoy yun.
Yun yung palapas, hindi ginawali ko yan. Higa-higa na rin ako.
Nag-alit-lit tayo, di ba buo? Kasama ko sa linggo. Kasama kami. Sa inyo. Sa linggo.
Sarap.
Pare alam ng lote.
Ayun nga doon, yung housing na.
This we harvest papaya.
One eternity later.
We're going home na. We're home na. So I need to rest para fresh and up ako. Si Tito Boy saka si Tito Mike. Nakuha lang kami ng buko at kamote chips. Tapos kumain tayo doon. Kumakain ako ng Peewee saka Mountain Dew. That is for all today's, guys. See you in my next video. Bye! This is silin bubuyog.
Anong bubuyog? Labuyo.
This is sisin bubuyog.
Wait a minute.
This is silin bubuyog.
Labuyo.
This is silin labuyog.
Labuyo. Labuyo.
This is sisin
Siling?
labuyo.
Yes. Siling labuyo.
Ulitin mo. Edit na lang.